Dear students, let's see the various tools and equipments used for carpentry jobs. Here is the raw material of wooden, right angle, plastic mallet, rasp file, jack plane, wooden and metal planer, wooden saw, marking gauge, mortise chisel small and firmer chisels. Now we will see the drawings of job number 1 and job number 2, that is dovetail lap joint. The drawing is drawn as per the working drawings that we have seen earlier with the help of marking gauge and markers at all the sides. See, this is the job number 2, tenon joint and mortise gap on both the sides. Now as per this drawing we will perform the operations. These are the various drawing instruments, marking instruments, marker, now first of all preparation of two sides of the square section for both the job number 1 and job number 2. Now cutting the extra portion with the help of wooden saw. So we are performing vertical cutting operation, leaving some allowance from the vertical lines that we have drawn. So both the sides of tenon joint is to be completed and cut by wooden hacksaw. Now cutting the other side, removing the extra portion alternatively with hacksaw blade and wooden cutting saw. Now the extra portion is removed from one side and now from the other side. Hacksaw blade is used due to softness of the wood. Now preparing the dovetail joint, removing the extra material from the dovetail lap joint as per our marking. Now the vertical cutting of the extra portion for dovetail lap joint. This is the rough cutting and we are keeping some finishing allowance for finishing purpose. Now excess material is removed. Now cutting the dovetail cavity with the hacksaw blade. Now let's perform the rough filing operation with the rasp file. This is the rasp file for rough cutting operation. Now the final finishing of the dovetail lap cavity. This is the final finishing of dovetail lap joint. Now the tenon joint finishing operation with the help of square section file and other rough files. Triangular file for removing the cornering effect. This is a very soft wood, so we are using files for removing the excess material. Now cutting the mortise joint. First of all, with the help of firmer chisel, we are deciding the boundary. Now the mortise chisel is used. Firmer chisel is used for deepening purpose. Gradually, deepening operation is done by firmer chisel and removing the chips. And for slotting operation, mortise chisel is used. Now this operation requires skill, otherwise the side walls of the inner surface will be damaged. See, deepening by mortise chisel at both the sides, opposite sides, and then using the mortise chisel. Generally, the width of the mortise chisel is taken equal to the width of the slot that we have to perform. See, now gradually and very firmly the mortise joint is done, and now for finishing operation, firmer chisel is used for removing the left out portion at bottom surface and top surface. Now in this way finishing operation is performed by hammering with the help of mallet. Now finishing with the square file. Now this is the cutting and finishing of the dovetail lap joint. Cutting the extra portion with the help of rasp file. Now our dovetail lap joint is completed. There should be no gap in between the matting surfaces of both the joints. Now removing the extra portion or length of the tenon joint. Removing the material with the help of rasp file. Now our both joints, tenon joint and dovetail lap joint, are completed. Tenon joint and dovetail lap joint are completed. That's all in the session. Have a nice day.